Hello my dear students, how are you all? I just hope you all are doing very good. So let's start our today's social studies class. So class 4, today in your social studies class, we will just check the answers of the questions I gave you in the last video, in the previous video, from lesson number 1. So the first question is take the best option. Question number 1. Take the best option. I'm writing only answers here. Number A. The period of history begins after medieval period, rule of dynasties, prehistory or coming of the East India Company. So the answer is prehistory. Number B. British rule came to an end on 15th August 1947, 26 January 1950, 29th August 1951 and 2nd October 1969. So British rule came to an end on 15th August 1947. On this day our country got independence from the British rule. Number 3 is barter system is still practiced in John Bean Mela of. Where is John Bean Mela? Where was John Bean Mela practiced? Kerala, Telangana, Assam or Odisha? In Assam. Number D. Who queried why do apples fall on earth? Who queried this? Edison, Aryabhat, Newton and Stephen Hawking. Yes. Newton. E. History is the study of the past. Yes, it is the study of the past. Now come to the second question. Question number 2. Unscramble the following words and write them. Now first one is RYHISTO. This is the spelling of history. 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 Number B is GKINDOM. It is kingdom. 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 Then number 3rd is ERTBAR. It is barter. Barter system. Barter. 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 Then number D is MEEIDVAL. It is medieval. 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 Then number 5th is ANTCIEN. It is ancient. 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 Then come to the next question. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. So let's do here. Question number 3. History is the story of the. It is fill in the blanks. History is the story of the past. Number B. People exchange goods for other goods in barter system. In barter system, I told you people, when the money was not invented, people used to exchange goods for the other goods. Number 3, ancient period comes after the, which period? Ancient period comes after prehistoric time. Number 4th is art and architecture greatly flourished during the Dash rule. And during which rule art and architecture was greatly flourished? During the Mughal rule. Mughal rule. Then number 5th is Dash is the annual fair held at Morigaon village in Assam. Which is the annual fair that is held in at Morigaon village in Assam? This is John Bean Mela. John Bean. BEEL. John Beale Mela. So this was question number 3rd. Now coming next to question number 4, that is true and false. True or false. Or if you just check the answers, if anything you have done wrong, so just correct it. First is, studying the past does not help us. It does not help us studying the past. False, because it helps us. B is, the time before medieval period is called prehistory. The time before medieval period is called prehistory. No, before medieval period is called ancient period. So this is one is also false. Number C is, the Britishers came as traders in India to India. Yes, they came as traders to India. Number 4th, the Ramayana was written in prehistoric times. The Ramayana was written in prehistoric times. No, Ramayana was not written in prehistoric time. It was written in ancient time. False. Number E is, the barter system was practiced before money was invented. Yes, true. Before, when money was not invented, then only barter system was practiced. Now, the last question is match the column. So, let's rub it and do question number 5 here. Match the column. Number A is British. British Upanishads? No. Indian history? No. East India Company? Yes. British East. I'm writing only answers here. You just have to match it. East India Company. Do not do in notebook. You have to do in book only these exercises. Number B, medieval. Upanishads? No. Indian history? No. Mughal rule? Yes, medieval Mughal rule. In the medieval period, Mughal rule was there. Then coming next to number C, Vedic Age. Upanishads? Yes. In the Vedic Age only Upanishads were, it was written. Upanishads. Number D, Newton. Upanishads done. No? Indian history? No. East India Company? No. Mughal rule? No. Rainbow colors? Yes. Newton, I understand this rainbow, about the rainbow colors. He understand first. He first understand this rainbow colors. Who? Newton. Then number 5th is India's freedom struggle in Indians history. Indian history. It is a part of Indian history, India's freedom struggle. So these were the exercises of lesson number 1, which you all have to check. Okay. After that, let's continue from lesson number 2, sources of history. Now we can understand history better with the help of historians and archaeologists. Now, what are historians and who are historians and archaeologists? Now, historians study written records. Okay, written records of the past. Now, they just find the proved evidences from the events that have happened already in the past. Through those events, they collect the information. Okay, they study written records. Number 2, historians gather information from various written documents. From various written documents, they just collect the information that has happened in the past, or they are then able to answer the questions. After collecting the information from the various written records, they can give answers to those questions, like what happened in the past, who were involved in the past, and why it happened in the past, why those events happened. These are the few questions after gathering the information, they can give the answers to these questions. Now the third point is, some historians work as archivists. They help in the collection and preservation of important historical documents or buildings. Now they just help to collect the important documents and to preserve these documents and the buildings. Okay, these historical buildings, the old buildings, they through these, some historians work as archivists also. After that comes archaeologist. Now archaeologist An archaeologist work begin with finding a site to study. Now they first of all they find a site to study. After finding a site, means some archaeological sites means a place. Okay, they just find a place, a site they find out to study. After that, they dig that site. Okay, archaeologists dig slowly and carefully the site so that they can get uh, anything which was in the past. Okay, now some archaeological sites are visible on the surface. Few sites are visible on the surface only, and few some are buried deep beneath the ground. Now uh, when they dig, archaeologists dig slowly and carefully. This work is called excavation, or a dig. Okay. Now archaeologists uncover buildings. They are just uncover the buildings. They do not cover the buildings. Just open tools. They take out tools. They buildings. They search tools, weapons, art, and pieces of pottery as well that people made in the past. And after finding out these things, they come to know about the past, what had happened in the past, what were the things used in the past, and who were involved in the past, and what were the occupation of the people who lived in the past. Like these, they search. And these things, artifacts, these are called artifacts. Building tools, weapons, art, and pieces of pottery, these are called artifacts. So today we have completed lesson number 2, sources of history. Now again we have to do the definitions, define these terms in your notebook. I'll be giving you in your homework this. Okay, in this homework you all have to do this in your fair notebook in neat and good handwriting with and do these exercises in book. First of all you try. After that I will tell you the answers. Okay, these and few questions I will be giving you. Okay, so try to search the answers and just watch the video carefully, and the full video you will get the answer through these videos, and learn and read the lesson carefully from beginning till end. So that's all for today. Thank you.